The Luma Comfort EC45S Tower Evaporative Cooler is a lightweight, versatile, and economical cooler that draws only 45 watts of power, less than half of a regular household light bulb. This eco-friendly cooler is perfect for small bedrooms, cubicles, or any personal space. The EC45S distributes refreshing cool air while eliminating airborne dust particles and adding moisture to dry environments. Featuring a high-efficiency cooling pad, the EC45S is a true step up from the competition. The built-in caster reels also allow for easy portability, while 3 adjustable speed settings and full 90-degree oscillation, not found in any other tower evaporative cooler, allow you to optimize cooling for your space. The EC45S's easy-to-read digital display and remote control make the unit a breeze to operate from anywhere in the room. Whether it's a bedroom or a small office, the EC45S is the perfect combination of versatility and portability to keep you cool.
Hessaire Evaporative Coolers allows you to enjoy the comfort of evaporative cooling on the go. Our patented cooling technology uses the natural cooling effects of air passing over water. The air evaporates the water, and the water, in turn, cools the surrounding air. Our fans are designed to deliver cool air further and more quietly than any other cooler on the market, providing you with the most comfortable experience possible. Our larger coolers provide cool air up to 40 feet. And even our smallest model can cool up to 20 feet away, meaning that a Hessaire cooler can produce and deliver more cool air measured by cubic feet per minute than the same size cooler produced by our competitors. It's easy to see why Hessaire is recognized as the leader of air movement technology. Our coolers are designed for portability and functionality, allowing your Hessaire cooler to go wherever you go. Hessaire, cool air anywhere.